Hey, you're watching another Abacus unboxing stream. I'm Ravi. This is Chris.
Hi.
What do we have today?
We have the newest phones from Xiaomi
Mi 8 Lite.
and the Mi 8 Pro.
You can tell this one's Pro because it's like gold and it's embossed and stuff
and
like that.
totally black box.
Why don't we start with the Lite because that box looks cooler. And it's a simpler phone, so let's go start with that one.
So here it is.
Eventually.
Feels kind of stiff. Okay.
I do really like that phone companies now are doing this, that they put this little protective thing in front of the phone.
Yep.
Remember the days when people used to get their new iPhones, they'd open the box and they'd shake the box open, the phone would just fall straight to the ground. We can deal with what's inside here a little bit later. Let's go to the phone itself.
Ooh.
Tell me about the phone.
So the Mi 8 Lite is actually a phone marketed by Xiaomi as the AI beauty selfie phone. And it's got a really good selfie cam and dual cams on the back.
Here's the selfie cam, here's the dual cams, but most importantly, look at that shine on the back.
Yep.
Look at that color.
It's really shiny.
So it starts with the blue, goes all the way down to purple.
Purple.
It's called a gradient color, right?
Yes.
They're not the first to do it though, right?
The first one was Huawei, in my memories. Yep.
Huawei with the P20 Pro, I think, right? But yeah, it's got that fingerprint sensor on the back, which tells you this is a lower end phone than the other one. Though, as you may have noticed, this phone is absolutely full of smudges.
Wow, the fingerprint magnet.
Yeah, so I'm gonna wipe it off and then you can see how quickly again it'll like smudge with fingerprints all over again. Which is unfortunate because the back is, this is gorgeous. The swing, the color, it's great. But again, as soon as you touch it, as soon as I just put a couple like
4 fingerprints
hands on it, there you go, you suddenly started smudging again. Let's see what else is in the box.
There's a cable, USB to USB Type-C.
Yep.
Yep.
So even though this is a USB-C phone, it isn't USB-C to USB-C the cable because this charging adapter right here is a USB-A charging adapter.
Yes.
So the cool thing is it's a transforming one. Oh, hey.
Apple doesn't do that.
No, Apple's folds out. What's in here?
There's one secret thing inside.
One secret thing inside. Let's see what that secret thing is.
And that's the case.
So this phone comes with a case. That's kind of rare. Anyone who's bought anyone who buys an Apple phone or a Samsung phone doesn't get a case.
Yeah, they don't get it at all.
So why do they include a case?
Well, maybe you'll drop the phone when you unbox it. Well,
But it's a really cheap feeling case, huh?
It feels kind of cheap actually, I'm not sure how to say this. It's so soft.
It doesn't look like protect the phone very much.
Yeah.
But one thing I really like is, I really like this thing, a little USB-C to headphone dongle. Because of course, there's no headphone jack in this phone, so you need this. I just bought the new iPad Pro, and that's USB-C. That has no headphone jack.
So you can use this.
It does not come with this. So yeah, this is actually really, really useful.
Yep.
I'm really happy about that. And of course, the last thing, of course, as always,
A SIM ejector.
the SIM ejector tool.
It looks really different from the others.
It's a circular pin. It looks a little bit like a grenade pin.
Yep.
Not that I use grenade pins, but I play Call of Duty. I know what they kind of look like. And of course, a little instruction booklet, the standard.
Who will read this?
That's a good point. I've never actually opened one of these up. It's a very, but also it doesn't really tell you anything. It just tells you really basic things like, here's the SIM card tray.
Yeah.
And for more information, go to our website. Who would go here before they go into the website, right?
Well.
So just the kind of the basic stuff. So that's the Mi 8 Lite.
Yep.
And that's all the stuff you get. Pretty much standard except for that little USB-C and the case. The one that you're really excited about, the Mi 8 Pro. Again, you can tell it's Pro. It comes in black.
It's black and gold. Come on, it's high class.
Yeah, nothing that's classy like gold, right?
Yeah.
Right. Let's open it up. That was much easier to open up than the last one.
Yes, much easier.
Let's open it up and let's see what we get inside. Pretty much standard things, I guess, but the phone has a few surprises, right?
And this phone is it has a really good surprise.
What's the surprise?
It's got a transparent back.
So you really like this transparent back. I gotta admit, it's a really cool idea to have a transparent back on the phone, but I have a few problems with it. Because you can see here on the back, it's got a bunch of chips. It looks like you're looking at the internals of the phone, but you're not.
Yeah, they are not the real internals here.
These chips that you see here are actually just plastic. They're not real chips. This battery-looking thing is actually just a sticker.
I'm actually a big fan of transparent gadgets,
Oh yeah, I'm with you on that.
Yeah. But this.
But so the other funny thing about this is, the details on it. So even though it is a fake back, it tries to look real because that apparent CPU-looking thing says Qualcomm. This has a Qualcomm Snapdragon chip in it. But the funny thing is the memory chip, or the memory chip, says Samsung on it.
Samsung, yes.
And yes, Samsung does provide chips to other smartphone makers, but Xiaomi has put their competitor's logo.
Phone, and you get to see a Samsung.
There's the Xiaomi logo. There's the Samsung logo.
Yeah.
That's
it's best of both worlds.
yeah. But the other thing is the other chips actually have something else on them. You want to read out some of the slogans?
Wow. You can see there's a word called innovation for everyone.
Which is ironic because it's a Xiaomi phone.
Yep. And always believe that something wonderful is about to happen.
That's really cheesy. Actually, the worst one for me is the one down at the bottom here. Be the coolest company in the hearts of our users. Come on.
Well,
It's such a high-end, classy phone, and you put like these cheesy slogans on it.
maybe it feels good.
Maybe.
For Xiaomi.
I really like this though. I really like the red button at the side because I'm super into red stuff. So I really like the red.
I think we first saw that kind of like a different color button design on the Google Pixel phones.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
You want to show everyone the other surprise of this one?
Wow, look at this. There's an in-screen fingerprint sensor.
So
So you unlock the phone by placing your finger on the screen.
So I think what's really cool about that actually is with this phone, for instance, there's a physical target. Oh, holding it upside down. There's a physical target to hit, right?
Yes.
You know, with the iPhones as well, there's that kind of like round ring. So even if you can't see the sensor, you can feel where the sensor is. You can feel that it's right about there. But with this one, I was really worried that because you can't see the sensor, because obviously the screen is flat, like a screen should be, that you wouldn't be able to see like where the button is.
Yep.
But just a tap on the screen anywhere brings up the sensor target. And I found that when I was using the phone myself, it just felt really natural to find.
Yeah, it feels kind of natural.
That feels like a good spot. The only thing about it though, I've noticed when I tried to set my own fingerprint, was that it's sensitive to smudges on the screen. Because when I was trying to set my own fingerprint earlier, it kept telling me over and over again that like my it wasn't reading my fingerprint clearly. When the screen gets a little too smudgy, which as all smartphone screens tend to do, that is a bit of a problem. Would you use this phone?
Perhaps, yes. First thing, like when I get my hands on this Mi 8 Pro, it feels kind of like lightweight. And it's not like all other Xiaomi phones with that aluminum finish. It's like, it's quite different like for a Xiaomi phone design.
Oh, that's just one thing I realized. It doesn't have an aluminum back, but it doesn't support wireless charging either, does it?
No, it doesn't support at all.
Which is a pity because you'd figure with that back you can support it.
Yes, that's right.
You can't wireless charge metal phones. But that's actually, wireless charging is really convenient.
And actually like they are promoting like Xiaomi has this wireless charger really cheap, but this phone doesn't support at all.
Exactly, that's a real shame. But you were really excited about it, but you still won't use it?
I'm not sure, like when I use the phone, the screen doesn't look really good. The screen. I really hope the screen could be better.
Is it the colors? Is it the...
I think it's the colors are a little bit off. It's not really rich in colors, and it's not really bright at all in strong sunlight.
Not bright in strong sunlight. That's is it an OLED? It's an OLED screen, right?
Xiaomi say it's an OLED screen, but I don't feel it's a good screen at all.
Anyways, these are the two phones again side by side. We've got the Mi 8 Pro with its transparent back. We've got the Mi 8 Plus. Oh, sorry, the Mi 8 Lite.
The Mi 8 Lite.
So I'm so used to like other phone companies. The Mi 8 Lite with the I really like this gradient back. I really like the finish of it. I like the feel of this phone. Even though it probably wouldn't be the one. What is interesting though, these are two Mi 8 phones, and they look very different. You can see alone, it's not just the fingerprint sensor on the back. The cameras are completely different. The array of the cameras are completely different.
One vertical, one horizontal.
These don't feel like two phones in the same line, strangely, even though they are.
One interesting note is that the Lite has a smaller notch.
The Lite has a smaller notch than the Pro. What's in the Pros? Does it have an extra set of sensors up here to make it?
For the face unlock.
But again, it's just face unlock, not proper secure face ID. Yes, that's why it has the in-screen fingerprint sensor. Anyway, there we go. The Xiaomi Mi 8 Pro, Mi 8 Lite. We'll be back with a couple more streams, a couple more unboxing streams. We're going to get the OnePlus 6T soon. Are you excited about that one?
I'm pretty excited on the OnePlus actually. Like, comments, reviews are all in, and it looks really good actually.
That's cool. And the next time though, so I'm a little bit disappointed with myself because I'm wearing an Abacus Let's Play t-shirt. But we have a whole bunch of Abacus like I unbox therefore I am shirts. Why didn't I wear that one today? Why didn't you wear that one today?
We'll wear it next time.
Well, that's what we're going to do one next time. All right.
Yep.
See you guys. Thanks for joining us.